Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the attachment from your Theragun Relief. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Theragun Relief and you see that it comes with three different attachments. How do you actually go ahead and remove it? Now, there's a couple ways you could actually do it, but it's pretty straightforward. I like to extend the Theragun first, fully, and then grab it with your left hand, grab this with your right hand, and then firmly pull it out as it's pressed against your body. You can see that it just firmly pulls out, and then grab your next attachment. If you look into your next attachment, you can see that there's ridges on the side. Make sure that it aligns with these metal balls, push it in, and it should snap into place. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove the attachment from your Theragun Reliefs. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.